Righto, bike fans. Slowly ceramic coating my own bike. That wheel's done. And the new Optimate's in. Courtesy of Barnstormer. Got them in stock now. So this is really easy. Screw it to the wall, plug it in. Make sure you, this is for a GS by the way, new GS. Make sure you select option 4, which is LFP CAN bus. Plug the CAN bus lead in. This is really nice, this waterproof connector, by the way. Bingo. Make sure you select option 4. And it's all go. All go. So what I'm doing today is finally spending a bit of time ceramic coating my own bike. Done the exhaust, yes. Ceramic Armour, you can do exhausts. The old serums, you can't. Slowly going through it. As you can see, it's looking quite good. Got to an interesting part now though. I'll just spin you around the other side. So what is the new GS coated in? Well, it's a bit like somebody described it as oven paint. It's actually Cerakote. Excuse my shed door squeaking away. Cerakote. It's a bit like something you create a modern day Arga in, but it's hopefully going to be tough and durable. So I'm going to coat that now. I've just applied panel wipe, taking all the waxes that BMW put on. I'm going to coat it right now, and then we'll take another look in a sec. Non-coated, coated. All in the nooks and crannies, all around here, all in the threads, up inside the engraved BMW logo. It just deepens it and protects it. And that does take a hammering. So let's have a look from the other side. You can actually see clearer on this side where I've coated and where I haven't. Down the middle of that BMW line.